Rich Dad and Poor Dad author explained why Bitcoin will see 50,000 next year. He go by saying, I am glad I bought Bitcoin. Next stop, 50K. Wall Street institutional money coming in 2021, below 20K. If you miss Bitcoin, buy silver. Silver set to move due to AOC's Green New Deal. America is in trouble. Future bright for gold, silver, and entrepreneurs. For instance, over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin price had increased by around 4.5%, recording a 6.5 gain at a day peak. Let's take a look at what he had to say on his podcast about the dollar.
I don't save dollars because I don't trust the US dollar. And I just save gold and silver and recently Bitcoin. And the reason is because of 1971 when Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard, the dollar became fake.
On Top 5, we drop a new video every single day, so be sure to smash the subscribe and like button for daily premium videos, including weekends. If you would like to increase your Ethereum and Tron portfolio, I would recommend you using this program. The link will be in the description below.
So now that COVID has hit and they printed more money in 2020 than they did in the first 200 years of our country. And still people are saving dollars. You should be buying some gold, some silver, and you can afford it Bitcoin. Silver today is a bargain, and I can buy a silver eagle for about 30 bucks. And everybody in the world can afford 30 bucks. But the average person has been conditioned to think about paper, fake money, fake dollars. At the same time, they're printing as much money as they possibly can. They give it to their rich friends. They don't give it to us. And then they print it, and interest rates keep going down. So in 1974, when I got out of the Marine Corps, if I had $1 million, which I didn't, I could put $1 million in 74 into a savings and loan, a bank, in a certificate of deposit, and they would pay me 15% on my $1 million. So a lot of people have made a lot of money. They just put their money into the bank, and they're being paid 15% interest. So $1 million back in 74 was worth approximately $150,000. Now it's not a lot of money to retire on, but you could have retired on $150,000 in 1974. Today, I take $1 million into the bank, I might get 2%. So that means it went from $150,000 to $20,000. And after taxes, that $20,000 might be worth $15,000.
If Bitcoin hits $50,000, its market cap would reach $928 million, which is around 10.3% of gold market cap, compared to the current 2.9%. Bitcoin is in a favorable position to rally in the upcoming month because of its low correlation with the stock market. Traditional safe haven assets like gold often pull back when the US equities rally. In the case of Bitcoin, it has shown a relatively low correlation with the US stock. Hence, Bitcoin has seen sharp uptrend even when equities increase in values. Blah, blah. The CME Bitcoin future market open interest in hovering at $1.07 billion, just behind OKEx and Binance Future. The data show that institutional demand for Bitcoin is high to the point where institutional focused platforms are surpassing major retail exchange in open interest and trading volume. Grayscale has also surpassed $13 billion in asset under management on December 15, indicating a large increase in institutional inflow into Bitcoin. Institutions appear to be rapidly accumulating Bitcoin following the high-profile publicized investment from the like of MicroStrategy, Square, MassMutual. Consequently, as Cointelegraph reported, this had led to aggressive dip buying in both the future and option markets.